So guys, before you get started, if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now let's take a look at this GBP USD for the day. At first, you see this GBP USD, right? We've been having this a bullish move, which is actually on a pullback level. If you were watching it, you would have seen how we predicted this bullish move, right? So if you take a look at this movement, which happened on the 5th of October, we actually went bearish. All of a sudden, bearish move. Now, I know what will be on your mind is that, are we now on a bearish move? I personally believe, I don't believe so, we are on a bearish move. I still believe we are still on a bullish move. So this price come to take this level out here, which I am still seeing that this GBP against our USD will go bullish. Now I'll give you different reasons why I said we are still on a bullish move. First reason is that this is the 10-period moving average I applied here, right? So you all know the rules of trading 10-period moving average. Once it is above the 10-period moving average, we are to go long. But if it is below, then we are to short it. But since it is above it, then we should look to go long on our GBPUSD. That is first reason. Now take a look at the second reason. The second reason will be our USD index. Now take a look at this USD index. It has actually been going bullish, right? We can see this price has been rising up. So basically, as this USD index is giving us that bullish move, we've been having that drop. Basically, we can see that drop on our GBP against our USD, right? Now that this USD index is now giving us this bearish move, this is one of the reasons why this GBP to our USD starts giving us this bullish move. As long as this USD index itself is dropping, then the GBP to USD will be giving us that bullish move. Now, if you look at this USD index properly, is this pullback over on this USD index? I personally don't believe so. I would want to see this pullback at least to this level. We see this price reacted here, reacted there. So I would want to see this pullback at this level here, for this price to drop to this same level before we see that bullish move. So since we are expecting this USD index to drop to this same level, then we would continue to go bullish on our GBP USD. So what I just see here is just an impulse, a correction, by the way, kind of like a bullish move here, a correction, and we are expecting another market bullish move to be made to take out this ice. So by that time we are having this bullish move on GBP, so our USD, we would continue to have this drop on our USD index. So basically we can see this movements like this on USD index, kind of like an impulse move here, a correction, another impulse move. You see this lower lows, broke the previous lower lows, then we'll take it as a correction. After the correction, then another drop again we should be having. So as we are having that drop on USD index, then that would give way for a bullish move on our GBP USD. That is reason number 2. And let's see what this third one says by going to our 4-hour time frame. So to take this trade, we would actually go to our 4-hour time frame. What we clearly can see on this 4-hour time frame is still on a bullish move, except this price drops to break this low. I'll say it again, except this price breaks this low, then we can go bearish. If not, we are still on a bullish move. So I will be seeing here as a pullback on this 4-hour time frame. So I'll take here like an impulse move, a correction here, then again impulse move. So we should see this correction happen at this level, which we are currently at now. So after this level, we are on a bullish move again on GBP USD.